guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I love home cooking. It's a great way to connect with our friends and family, and as a mum, it's a wonderful way to bring the household together. Like 82% of Australians, I love sharing cooking as a way to bond with our loved ones. The kitchen has always been a significant part of the home, and it is definitely the heart of ours. And I'm going to share with you some of my tips today to inspire you to connect with your friends and family over good food and home cooking. In today's busy lifestyle, convenience is king. So here are my tips on entertaining without fuss. So one of the first things you want to do is set up your kitchen for a successful dinner party. And that means to clean down your kitchen, put away the dirty dishes, create a space that you can actually start making your food without any stress. So that includes making space in your kitchen for the food you're about to prepare for your loved ones. So in my fridge, I've dedicated a whole shelf to our friends and family coming over. So I've made space so that when I make my food, it can easily go into the fridge and stay cool until they arrive. So another great tip is to empty your dishwasher so that you're not worrying about cleaning up while your guests are here. You also want to set the scene of your dinner party. You want to create atmosphere, and that's things like your lighting, burning some candles, burning some scent around the home, putting on some music. But don't wait until your guests arrive to do that. Pop that on while you're preparing the food, and that will help to relax you as well and get into the mood. So in my crisper, I've got plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables ready to create something special. So once your kitchen is ready, everything is cleaned down, your dishwasher is unpacked, your fridge has space in it, and you're fully stocked with the ingredients you need, you're ready to get started. You want to keep it really simple, and one of the best ways that you can bring a lot of flavour to the table without any fuss is to celebrate in-season produce. So when it comes to entertaining, I have three favourite things that I like to do. The first is either do a slow cook, so you can set and forget. The second is to do a meal that brings people together. So that's really great for family time. That might be things like taco night, or make your own pizzas, or roll your own rice paper rolls. And lastly, my absolute favourite would be to create a grazing platter. And that's a great way to get people to mingle, to create atmosphere, and also to enjoy a variety of different food. And that's what I'm going to share with you today, how to make an easy grazing platter for your guests. To create a no-fuss platter, you want to prepare as much as you can in advance. So in my fridge, I've already got my dips ready to go, and I also have my veggies chopped. So I've got everything prepared, ready to go. I've got my platter ready, and it's time to assemble. In your platter, you want a nice variety of colours and flavours, and you want a good balance of savoury and sweet foods. So let's get this gorgeous platter underway. We're going to start with our savoury items. So I've got some hummus here and beetroot dip. That beetroot dip just provides the best colour. I've got some marinated olives, some almonds, as well as we're putting on some meatballs. These are Moroccan lamb balls. So things like protein and good fats on your platter, such as meat products, chicken, egg, seafood, as well as good fats such as olives and nuts, will keep your guests feeling really satisfying. So to accompany our dips, we're going to put on some veggie sticks, just again to provide that colour and also that aspect of healthy eating. Another really important factor to your platter is the textures. So you want a balance of crunch, of smooth, of creamy. So crackers for crunch. So just a little tip to jazz up your dips. You could use your favourite spices or even some dukkha, just to add that extra special touch. So now it's time to add on our sweet elements to bring balance to our platter. The best way to do that is from seasonal fresh fruit. So I've got some fresh strawberries there. We'll sprinkle in some blueberries. The best thing about platters is wherever it falls, that sort of natural look always turns out best. Homemade baked banana bread there. Now, having an element of something with a homemade touch is perfect for a platter. And then lastly, you want your guests to finish on something sweet. So we're going to put on there some dark chocolate, some good quality dark chocolate. So there you go, a very, very simple and colourful grazing platter for your guests. So all of the work is now done. I'm just going to pop that in the fridge until our guests arrive. Now I have one more cheeky tip for you to impress your guests in a very simple way, and that is to have something in the oven baking when they arrive. The smell of homemade cookies or a homemade cake or a loaf will fill the house with the most amazing aroma, and everyone will feel at home. I've just pulled some brownies out of the oven and they smell amazing. The house smells incredible. I hope these tips help and inspire you to connect with friends and family through home cooking and to bring life back into your kitchen, the heart of your home.